Surface Global Forum 2018. Calgary, Alberta, New York City, Davenport, Iowa, Orlando, Florida, Las Vegas. Join us. Surface. 3 days, one mission: education, innovation, and inspiration. Surface hair, health, and art.
Hi, I'm Sarah Gallagher, Color Director with Surface Hair, and I want an opportunity to meet you at the Surface Global Forum, where I'm going to be presenting our Urban Gypsy collection color looks and sharing a vegan, ammonia-free color world with you. I know that this information is going to help you raise the bar of success. I'll see you at the Global Forum.
Hello, G here, Artistic Director with Surface. I wanted to share with you what I'm going to be doing at our Global Forum. On day one, our Urban Gypsy collection. Usable haircuts all the way through to the avant-garde, using compression cutting, disconnection, as well as all of our Surface tools. On day two, believe, focus, think big, using the 5 keys to success with goal-specific ideas on how to build a financially healthy chair. And on day 3, stick around for a great hands-on program with me up close. We'll get right into that hair cutting. You'll go back to your salon inspired. We're going to have a great time. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys somewhere in the United States or Canada at one of our global forums. I promise you, an amazing event. Take care.
Hello everyone, Sean Carlson, your Global Ambassador for Surface Hair. So excited to have you join us as the 2018 Urban Gypsy Global Forum is here. 5 stops: Calgary, Alberta, New York City, Las Vegas, Nevada, and Bettendorf, Iowa. And you can join myself, Wayne Grund, Sarah Gallagher, and Gerard Kierans as we help you take your business to the highest of heights, as we help you raise the bar. Please join me specifically on day 2 as I help combine purpose and passion and creating a guest experience that is worth talking about and having your guests coming back continuously and sharing with their friends. I cannot wait to spend these days with you. Join us. We can't wait to grow your business.